And for the sake of familiarity with some of these tools, we'll just give a brief demonstration of what a regular grooming is for a horse. In most instances, a horseman will use something called a curry comb, and there are variations of this tool, but the purpose of this is to move in sort of a circular motion, aerate the skin, massage the skin, and dislodge any of the heavier dirt. A shedding blade is another instrument that can work in a similar way, especially at wintertime. This can just help pull any excessive hair off. These two implements are important to massage the skin, aerate the hair, and help prevent the bacterial and fungal infections that can occur if regular grooming is not happening. This brush is used for mane and tail, and it helps to prevent those dreadlocks that you'll see in horses that are not getting regular grooming. And again, this is a way to aerate and massage and stimulate this area on their body. This brush is used also to do tail, and when the tail is free and flowing and the hairs are individual, it gives you a sense that that horse is getting groomed regularly. This is called a soft brush or dandy brush, and this is used after a curry comb, and this will flick some of the dirt that is on the horse off after it has been loosened by the curry comb. And this is used all over their body and down their legs, and it can help to get off any of that loose material. The hooves should be picked regularly. This is a hoof pick, and when approaching a horse to pick its feet out, we're always going to let the horse know we're here. We're going to reach down. We're going to go ahead and pick that foot up. You can see where my feet are in comparison. So as you can see, this horse's foot is packed with material. I have my hoof pick in my hand, feet are off to the side. I'm going to start and I'm going to move away from the horse. Avoid the temptation to do this because you can inadvertently hit the horse and they don't like that. So my pick is going in and I'm moving away from the horse. I'm getting those materials out, and then you can see that nice triangular natural frog that this horse has in the center, and you're using your instrument on either side of that and in that central sulcus there to remove the debris from the foot. Again, you will notice that my feet are off to the side of the horse. You have to avoid a situation where the horse could stamp your foot coming down. Knees are bent. This foot is fully picked out. That allows me to inspect all components of the foot. There's no nail in the foot, and the foot is not draining, and there's no swelling above the coronary band here. This is a typical appearance of a foot in wintertime. When proceeding to the back foot of a horse, I've always got a good handler on the same side as me. I'm going to run my hand all the way along the horse as I go for the foot. I'm staying relatively close. I'm going to go ahead and pick that foot up. I'm going to pull it off to the side a little bit with my body off to the side, lean in, and I'm going to do that same motion where I'm pulling material from the top of the foot towards the toe, away from the horse. I'm going to clean everything out so that the only thing that's left is that nice mushy frog that's in the center. And again, in wintertime, you're going to see some evidence of moisture, but as long as the foot is comfortable to touch, you see no swelling, there's no drainage, this foot is in relatively good shape. Again, when I'm using the hoof pick, I'm going to start up at the top of the sulcus and move towards the toe. You'll notice that my feet are off to the side. I've got my head off to the side, and I'm just clearing all of the natural architecture of this foot so that I can inspect both the frog, the white line, and look for any evidence of nail, infection, swelling, drainage, anything that might be causing the horse to limp.